Hello, language learners, and welcome back to Idiom IQ. Today, we've got a lesson that's going to elevate your English skills to the next level. Let's dive into some body parts idioms, their meanings, and how you might see them used in everyday situations. So, grab a pen and paper because you're in for a treat. Give someone a hand, meaning help someone. Situation: Mom is carrying heavy bags from the store. Sentence: let's give Mom a hand with those bags. Put your foot in your mouth, meaning say something embarrassing or wrong. Situation: Tim told Sarah she looked tired when she wasn't. Sentence: oops, Tim really put his foot in his mouth. All ears, meaning ready to listen. Situation: Grandma wants to tell a story. Sentence: we're all ears, Grandma. See eye to eye, meaning agree on something. Situation: both kids want the same flavor of ice cream. Sentence: looks like we see eye to eye on chocolate. Get something off your chest, meaning talk about something that's bothering you. Situation: Dad looks worried. Sentence: Dad, you should get whatever is bothering you off your chest. Nail biting, meaning very tense or suspenseful. Situation: watching a close football game. Sentence: this game is so nail-biting. Elbow grease, meaning hard physical work. Situation: cleaning a really dirty kitchen. Sentence: this is going to take some elbow grease. Behind someone's back, meaning do something secretly. Situation: Sally took Tim's toy when he wasn't looking. Sentence: Sally, you shouldn't take things behind Tim's back. Tooth and nail, meaning fight really hard. Situation: competing in a race. Sentence: he fought tooth and nail to win the race. Tip of the tongue, meaning almost able to remember. Situation: forgetting a friend's name. Sentence: her name is on the tip of my tongue. Pain in the neck, meaning annoying. Situation: a loud and disruptive neighbor. Sentence: that neighbor is a real pain in the neck. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive. Situation: failing a test at school. Sentence: keep your chin up, you'll do better next time. Skin and bones, meaning very thin. Situation: a really skinny stray dog. Sentence: that poor dog is all skin and bones. Stomach, something meaning able to tolerate something. Situation: watching a scary movie. Sentence: I can't stomach scary movies. Shake a leg, meaning hurry up. Situation: late for school. Sentence: Come on, shake a leg or we'll be late for school. Hope these idioms are as easy peasy to understand as they are fun. That concludes our lesson on these insightful idioms involving body parts. These are versatile phrases that you'll encounter frequently in English conversations, so mastering them is a valuable skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions here at Idiom IQ. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more language tips and idiomatic adventures. Until next time, take care and happy learning.